Hi. To continue the discussion of RA 11648, let's talk about sections 3 to 4. RA 11648 is created to afford better protection to victims of rape, sexual exploitation, and abuse. This act increased the age for determining the commission of statutory rape, and it also amended two special penal laws, namely RA 8353 or the Anti-Rape Law and RA 7610 or the Special Protection of Children Against Abuse, Exploitation, and Discrimination Act. In Section 3 of RA 11648, it amends Sections 5, Paragraph B, 7, 9, and 10, Paragraph B of Republic Act Number 7610. Children, regardless of their gender, who indulge in sexual intercourse or lascivious conduct for money, profit, or any other consideration, or if they did it because they have been influenced by any adult, syndicate, or group, are deemed children exploited in prostitution and other sexual abuse. Section 3 of RA 11648 specifically amends Section 5, Paragraph B of RA 7610. This provision punishes a person who had a sexual intercourse or lascivious conduct with a child exploited in prostitution or subjected to sexual abuse. So, when the victim is under 16 years of age, the perpetrator shall be prosecuted for rape or lascivious conduct, and that the penalty for lascivious conduct when the victim is under 16 years of age shall be reclusion perpetua in its medium period. For RA 7610, the victim's age is just 12 years, under 12 years. But for RA 11648, it was increased to under 16 years. RA 11648 also amended provisions on child trafficking. So in here, the penalty shall be imposed in its maximum period when the victim is under 16 years of age. And that is different from what is provided in RA 7610 because in that law, the victim's age is just 12 years. There is also an amendment to Section 9 of 7610 with regard to obscene publications and indecent shows. So, if the child used as a performer, subject, or seller or distributor is under 18 years of age, the penalty shall be imposed in its maximum period. So, for RA 7610, the victim's age is below 12 years. But for RA 11648, the victim's age is under 18 years. There is likewise an amendment to Section 10 of RA 7610, which is about other acts of neglect, abuse, cruelty, or exploitation, and other conditions that are prejudicial to the child's development. So, any person who shall keep or have in his company a minor who is 16 years of age or under, or who is 10 years or more his junior, in any public or private place, hotel, motel, beer joint, discotheque, cabaret, pension house, sauna or massage parlor, beach, and or other tourist or similar places shall suffer the penalty of prisión mayor in its maximum period. In RA 7610, the victim's age is 12 years or under, or who is in 10 years or more his junior. While for RA 11648, the victim's age is 16 or under, who in 10 years or more his junior. RA 11648 also added a provision which directed the inclusion of the subject on the rights and protection of the children in the basic education curriculum. So, public and private institutions that are engaged in education, training, and care of children shall ensure that their curriculum for continuing staff development included plans and learning sessions on the scope of their duties and responsibilities in identifying, responding to, and reporting rape and other sexual offenses. Also, the Department of Education shall include basic education curriculum or teach age appropriate subject concerning the rights and protection of the children in relation to this act.